Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda CRV battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Make sure your CRV is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. You'll find the battery under the hood, usually on the driver's side. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, we'll disconnect the old battery. It's crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid any electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal, then carefully remove the cable. Repeat this exact process for the positive terminal, ensuring both cables are clear of the battery. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's get that old battery out. First, loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures it in place. Carefully lift the old battery out of the tray. Remember, it can be quite heavy. Take this opportunity to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals thoroughly with a wire brush, removing any corrosion. With the area clean, it's time to install your new battery. Carefully place the new battery securely into the cleaned battery tray. Remember to connect the positive terminal first, tightening the nut firmly with your wrench. Finally, connect the negative terminal last, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Double-check all connections before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.